So today I am going to show you 10 ways to lock your Windows 10 PC. So let's move into the video and let's see how to do it.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Locking your Windows 10 PC is the best way to secure your computer when you step away. So this won't quite or interrupt any running application, and you have to type your PIN or password to get past the lock screen. So here are 10 ways you can lock your computer. So first one is lock your computer in the start menu. Number 2 is use the Windows key. Almost every Windows PC has a Windows key on the keyboard. So as you are probably guessed, it is the one with the Windows icon. You can press Windows L to lock your computer easily. Third option is Control Alt Delete. You can press Control Alt Delete in your keyboard. Shortcut is commonly used to kill unresponsive softwares. But you can also use it to lock your computer. Now you can see in the screen how to do it. So you can press Ctrl Alt Delete to lock your screen. Fourth option is lock your computer in Task Manager. You can also lock your PC in Task Manager. Easily pressing Ctrl Alt Delete and then click Task Manager. You can also type Task Manager in the Windows search box and then select it in search result. Fifth one is lock it from the command prompt. You can also type CMD in the Windows search box to open the command prompt. Then click the command prompt and type the code as shown in the display. It is easily lock your screen. Sixth one is use the run prompt. This method is exactly the same as the command prompt method above, except you use run. Just type run in the Windows search box and then click run in the search result. Seventh one is create a desktop icon to lock your computer. If you are rather lock your PC with just a click, you can create a desktop icon. To do it, first you create a new shortcut. After that, create a shortcut. Then type the following command in the type of location that you want to save that shortcut. So now you can see it in the display to how to create a shortcut to lock your screen in easily. Eighth one is set it up in the screensaver setting. You can set your PC to lock after the screensaver has been on for a certain amount of time. So to do, type screensaver in the Windows search box, click change screensaver in the search result. After that, in the screensaver setting menu, select the checkbox next to the on resume display logon screen option. Use the arrow button in the wait option and box to select how many minutes should pass before your PC locks and then click apply. Remember, we don't recommend this method for security reasons, so it is always best to lock your PC before you step away from it. Ninth one is use dynamic lock. Dynamic lock is a feature that automatically locks your PC after you step away from it. It does this by detecting the strength of the Bluetooth signal. When the signal is dropped, Windows assumes you have left the immediate area of your PC and locks it for you. To use dynamic lock, you will first need to pair your smartphone with your PC. To do this, go to Settings, Bluetooth in your whatever your smartphone, Android or iOS, and toggle on the slider. And on your PC, go to when you are connected in Bluetooth in PC, you follow the steps as shown in the screen. Settings, devices, Bluetooth and other devices, and then click add Bluetooth to other devices. Select your phone, confirm the pin, and they will pair. Now all that's left to enable the dynamic lock feature. Head to the settings, account, sign in option and scroll down the dynamic lock in the section. Select the checkbox next to the allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away option. Your PC will now lock if you move too far away. 10th one is use the remote lock feature. The remote lock feature should only be used in the worst case scenario. We always recommend locking your PC before you step away from it. However, we all forget things sometimes. If you are left to your PC, Microsoft has provided a way to lock it remotely. However, this will be only work if you are enable Find My Device on your PC. Remember to go to your settings and see if you are enable or disable the Find My Device option. So after that, a Microsoft account on the device with admin privileges and the device is connected to the internet. To use the remote lock feature, sign to your Microsoft account and then click Show Details under device want to lock. Next, click the Find My Device tab and then click Lock. Confirm in all the messages that appear to finish locking your PC. When it comes to cybersecurity, you are the first layer of the defense. It doesn't matter which of these methods you choose to lock your PC, as long as you actually do so. Also be sure to configure your PC to automatically lock itself if you forgot. So today I am going to show you 10 ways to lock your Windows PC. So I am thinking you will learn something in this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends